coffee talk with something pretty sweet. Some Crumbl cookies and a glass of coffee? No, a cup of coffee, perhaps a mug, perhaps a tumbler. Anyway, Crumbl cookies flavors of the week. Are you ready for this?
Yes.
Every Monday, Great Day reveals the 4 flavors. That was so fake. You didn't. There's nothing in there. We all know that.
Yeah, I know.
You just said at the top of the show you don't drink coffee.
I don't. It could be water. You don't know.
Anyway, where was I?
nothing.
Oh, let's reveal the 4 flavors of the week that you can get at Crumbl Cookies in Des Peres and Cottleville. More on that in a moment. Are you ready?
Yes.
Ready.
Here we go.
So ready.
This week, you can pick up the following specialty flavors. Butterfinger. Sign me up.
Is that yours? You
Now-
claiming it?
Now, do I have to get a call and do I have to be a certain age before I can go?
This one is
I
definitely
can just
first come,
walk
first
in off the
served.
street and get the
Yes.
thing. Circus animal. Is that like the, what do you call them, cookies?
Yeah,
Circus
look, it's right. There's the
Animal
pink
cracker
animal
cookie?
cookie right
Animal
there.
cracker.
Producer
Uh-huh.
Sam and I are going to safely split it.
All right. Churro chocolate, strawberry. Oh, churro chocolate strawberry cheesecake.
Well, there's 2 there, I think.
Oh,
Churro.
churro chocolate
Churro is 1.
and strawberry cheesecake. Punctuation is everything.
Yes.
Plus, of course, their regular flavors: milk chocolate chip, which is I think the bottom right, isn't it?
Yes.
And the
Yep.
chilled sugar. Oh, they're so good. Crumbl cookies offer both contactless delivery and curbside options. Their stores are also open for socially distanced takeout orders. Crumbl cookies located in Des Peres and Cottleville. The phone numbers on each location on your screen. Hurry up, scribble them down. For more information, visit Crumbl, that's C-R-U-M-B-L, no E, CRUMBL.com.
Can I make a suggestion?
Please.
So Super Bowl Sunday is this Sunday. You can watch it right here on Channel 4. Most people won't be going to a party. You can have your own party at your house with some of those cookies.
It's going to be too cold to even leave. So just get the
But
cookies.
they deliver them.
That's what I'm saying. So stay home,
Have
watch
them
Channel
delivered.
4, eat Crumbl
Laura,
cookies.
Yeah.
you have these moments of brilliance that I can't even describe.
They're fleeting.
This might be one of them.
So good.